welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are talking about how to use a Google Sheet, a beginner guide. The Google Sheet tutorial will help take you from an absolute beginner or basic user through to a confident, competent, intermediate level user. The Google Sheet is hugely powerful tool for everything from digital marketing to finance modeling, from the project management to statistical analysis. In fact, just about any activity involving the recording and analysis of data. If you are relatively new, it really pays dividends to learn how to use the Google Sheet correctly. This tutorial will help you to transition from newbie to ninja in short order. If you are new to the Google Sheet, then I recommend you to start the beginning of that video. However, if you have used the sheet before, feel free to skip the section 1 and 2 and begin with the data and the basis formula section. A template available for the copying to your drive and accompany this tutorial. The contents are how to use Google Sheet for the beginners, for example, in which we will talk about what is Google Sheet, how it is different to Excel, how to create your first Google Sheet and the Google Sheet editing window, working with the data in the Google Sheet. In the second step, we will talk about how to use the Google Sheet, the editing window, the editing column and rows, creating new tabs, formatting, removing formatting, and how to use Google Sheet data and basic formulas. Different types of the data, doing math on numbers, the starter function, see, count, sum, average, splitting data in cell and combining the data in cell. How to use the Google Sheet killer features, adding comment and note, share your sheet, real-time collaboration, and how to use Google Sheet intermediate technique, freezing pen for easy viewing and understand the cell references. Basic conditional formatting, sorting, filtering, adding chart, using explore feature, bonus, the lookup function, and how to use Google Sheet. Next step, how to use Google Sheet. First of all, what is Google Sheet? Google Sheet is a free cloud-based spreadsheet application. That means you open it in your browser window with a regular web page, but you have all the functionality of full spreadsheet application for doing powerful data analysis. It really is best of the both two worlds. How it is different to Excel? No doubt you have heard of Microsoft Excel, the long established heavyweight of spreadsheet world. It's an incredibly powerful, versatile piece of software used by approximately 750 million, 1 billion people worldwide. So yeah, a tough act to follow. Google Sheet is similar in many ways, but also distinctly different in other areas. It has mostly the same set of functions and tools for the working with data. In fact, some people mistakenly call it the Google Excel or Google Spreadsheet, with the risk of getting into an opinionated debate about the strength and the weakness of each platform. Here are few key differences. The Google Sheet is cloud-based, whereas the Excel is the desktop program. With the sheet, will no longer have the version of your work floating around. Everyone always sees the same, most up-to-date version of sheet, showing the same data, spreadsheet data. So guys, if you want to ask me anything about that video, about the Google Sheet, and any question regarding that, you can ask me in the comment section. Keep watching, keep supporting, and we'll wait for the next video. Thank you.